It is 2015 and there's absolutely no reason why we should be using products that have been tested on animals anymore. I mean, it's cruel, it's unnecessary, it's outdated. There's just no reason to do it. And luckily there's so many products on the market and companies that are now making completely cruelty-free product lines. So we're gonna show you some of our favorites.
We're here today at my parents' house and we're gonna give their home a compassionate revamp. So join us.
You guys, this is Duke and Duchess. They're here on behalf of their animal friends stuck in laboratories, and they feel very strongly that we should be purchasing cruelty-free vegan products, so no animals need be harmed. And as you saw in this video, there's really cruelty-free and vegan options for everything. These were some of our favorites, but it's so easy to find a whole array of products, especially if you're shopping at places like Whole Foods Market or natural food stores, even Amazon.com.
And we found a lot of these products at places like Target, so they're really accessible.
Yeah, they're all over the place, and the more we support companies and products like this, the more easily accessible they will be.
When you're shopping for these products, make sure to look out for two things. One, that they're cruelty-free, so they're not tested on animals, but also that they're vegan and that they don't have any animal products inside of them.
Yep, and it's as simple as that. I hope this video inspires you to give your home a little cruelty-free makeover. And if you do, definitely let us know in the comments what products you find. Yeah, definitely, we want to hear from you. What are your favorite cruelty-free products? Let us know below. And this has been Michelle Kane from worldofvegan.com, and
I'm Tony Okamoto from Vegan Outreach.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Thank
Bye.
you.